You're going to be spending the day with me. Will my stomach understand that I'm on a diet? If I just get there and they are looking at me somehow, we move. You see my life. I don't have strength. Let me go and eat my pizza in peace. How did you meet your Igbo? See my ring light. Last week was something that I cannot even explain. Let me gist you guys a little bit. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I wake up on the right side of the bed this morning and I'm still very tired. The time is currently 11 a.m. And from the title of this video, you are going to be spending the day with me. So I woke up this morning, I've said my prayer, and I've called my manager at my job that I'm not going to be coming to work today because I have an appointment by 2 p.m. and I'm all alone for now, you guys. Recently I've gone to the school, husband I've got to work. Now I'm just all alone. Why am I hitting my chest like this? Anyways, I'm just going to take my time like to put all the documents that I need to take for my appointment, because you guys, you know, in France here, paper upon paper, document upon document. So I'm just going to take my time like to set up all the documents that I'm going to be taking with me by 2. A lot of things to do and I need to start up very early. Why is my face like this? I don't know. Abi, is it my eyes? But I'm looking very different. I also have classes, online classes that I'm going to be joining by 4:30. So I need to be home by 4. And also I need to edit some content that I'm also going to be sharing with you guys these days, because I noticed that I'm very lazy when it comes to YouTube. So I'm trying my best these days not to be lazy anymore. I have a lot of video on my laptop that I need to edit. I'm so lazy these days when it comes to editing video. I have a lot of content that I've not edit. Is that editing that take me time these days? Coming back from the job, cooking at the same time, I have so much to do. So I'm just going to start my day as usual. See my life. I slept with my chain yesterday and it got broken. You see my life. I need to get this fixed anyways. That is why I don't like sleeping with chain. You know, at times I just forgot like to take it off my neck, and when I wake up the morning I see that it's already broken. Thank God that it's not this one that broke. What will I come and say? You guys, I just have posted one video on YouTube this morning, which is going to be coming up as premium in the evening. I just have rested for 1 hour and right now I'm very hungry. My stomach is doing grrr. Hey, this one that my stomach is doing grrr like this. You guys see my ring light. Just beg me to buy another ring light. This was my first ring light that I started my YouTube channel with, and I'm still having it. I don't want to throw this ring light away because it's still going to fetch me a lot of money here on YouTube. So you guys, we are currently in the bedroom. What is wrong with this camera? Compose yourself, I beg. I don't have strength. This is how you know that I brush my teeth properly. Your tongue must not have that white thing there, okay? So you guys, I'm not going to take my shower right now because I'm having an appointment by 2, like I said. So there's no need for me taking my shower now. When I shower now, I need to get my hair done, my makeup and everything. So I'm just going to wait a little bit like this. I do everything once. You guys, I ordered this waist belt where my waist is giving me pain. It's too much. So I ordered for this waist belt and it's going to be coming, I think, today or tomorrow. I think this belt is going to help me out, you know, like this, relieve me from the pain. Last week was something that I cannot even explain. Let me gist you guys a little bit. Last week is one of the, I don't know how to exactly put it. What happened last week is something that I've never experienced in my life. I am a believer. I don't actually believe maybe when something happened, you start saying maybe it's spiritual or start thinking otherwise. It was just very crazy. I was just thanking God, like I was just praying to God, like, God, you know, I know you will never let me down and I know you never put me to shame, because I know it's always there for me. I have the belief and I'm strongly believe that it's always there with me. Whatever I'm doing and everything that I'm doing, I know that it's always there for me, that it will never let me down. I'm just really happy and I'm excited that I'm okay now and I'm getting better. Like I'm actually do feel okay. I shout out to people who reach out to me to always asking if I'm okay. I receive my strength, I receive my victory. I know that I will always conquer in everything that I do, no matter what. That is why it's very, very good. Like you put your trust in God, pray, let your heart always be clean, and when you are doing things, do it clean. Make sure that you are straight, you don't put your hand on dirty things. It was just interesting. Anyways, I give glory to God. See, when I tell you that somebody is praying for me somewhere and this prayer are working, I'm not even joking. So I wanted to make pancake, but I don't really have time to make pancake right now, so I'm just going to eat the remaining pizza. How would I put it? Pizza from yesterday night. I think this is what I'm going to be eating. I would have loved to make pancake, but I don't have time, and I don't want to stress. Like, I don't want to stress myself. I don't used to joke. Like when I was little, I know they joke with leftover food. Any leftover food, I will finish it the next day. So this is my leftover pizza. This thing will not be enough for me. So what will I do now? Should I just eat these 3 leftover pizza and just act and pretend as if I'm on a diet? But will my stomach understand that I'm on a diet? Genuinely speaking, I'm not on a diet. Am I actually watching a horror movie? I just woke up. I slept during my movie. I don't know how the sleep came, but the sleep came and it carried me and I slept. I'm just waking up and I'm running freaking late for my appointment. If I just get there and they are doing face, we move. Sleep came and I could not resist it. Hey you guys, currently I'm back home and everything went well. Everything went smooth. Yeah, nothing to complain about. Everything was good. Right now I'm supposed to get prepared for another meeting, not actually a meeting but online courses that I will be joining by 4. This is 3:12, so I'm just gonna go like to prepare for it, like to set up my laptop and everything. But before then I need to eat, because you see that pizza what I ate before, it looked as if I just drove those worm in my stomach. It's like I look for their trouble. So right now they are eating me, so I need to just look for something to fill my stomach, and then I will get prepared for the course. I'm done with my training, you guys. This is France for you. You are coming to France just ready to go to school all your life and ready to learn language all your life, because school upon school upon school. Going to make dinner. Priscilla is already back from the school. She's right over there. Where's my phone? No, I know my phone. So you guys, change of plan. I just have put on these jackets because I'm a little bit cold. I don't know why, so I just have put on this to warm me up a little bit. I'm not going to be cooking my okra soup anymore because I noticed that I don't have okra in my fridge. I usually buy this at home, but I don't know, I just have found out now that I don't have any more. Yeah, I just have found that I don't have any more at home. So change of plan. I think I'm going to be making some spaghetti. There are times you just be thinking what to cook for the family. I'm tired. This is what you get when you marry to Igbo. All those messages that I used to get on TikTok, you guys are asking me, how did I meet my husband? I'm very lucky. I should tell you guys how I met my husband. They are looking for Igbo. You know that getting married to Igbo, you are ready to eat pasta all your life. Go chop pasta. Pasta will begin to grow for inside your belly. You ready to chop pasta? You ready to chop all those their yeye food? Anyways, we are used to it now.